Hello everyone. In this video, I have some practice questions to crack your Salesforce Platform Developer I exam in one shot. So without any delay, let's start. Question 1. A development team wants to use a deployment script to automatically deploy to a sandbox during their development cycles. Which two tools can they use to run a script that deploys to a sandbox? Choose two answers. A developer needs to join data received from an integration with an external system with parent records in Salesforce. The data set does not contain the Salesforce IDs of the parent records, but it does have a foreign key attribute that can be used to identify the parent, which action will allow the developer to relate records in the data model without knowing the Salesforce ID. What should be used to create Scratch orgs? Salesforce, CLI, Workbench, Sandbox Refresh, or Developer Console. A developer is creating a page that allows users to create multiple opportunities. The developer is asked to verify the current user's default opportunity record type and set a certain default value based on the record type before inserting the record. How can the developer find the current user's default record type? Ursa Major Solar, UMS, implemented a private sharing model for the account object. A custom account search tool was developed with Apex to help sales representatives find accounts that match multiple criteria they specify. Since its release, users of the tool report they can see accounts they do not own. What should the developer use to enforce sharing permissions for the currently logged-in user while using the custom search tool? A custom picklist field, food preference C or key exist on a custom object. The picklist contains the following options: vegan, kosher, no preference. The developer must ensure a value is populated every time a record is created or updated. What is the most efficient way to ensure a value is selected every time a record is saved? Question 7. A recursive transaction is initiated by a DML statement creating records for these two objects. Accounts. Contacts. The account trigger hits a stack depth of 16. Which statement is true regarding the outcome of the transaction? Question 8. Which two statements accurately represent the MVC framework implementation in Salesforce? Choose two answers. Question 9. A developer has an Apex controller for a visual force page that takes an ID as a URL parameter. How should the developer prevent a cross-site scripting vulnerability? Question 10. The Order Helper class is a utility class that contains business logic for processing orders. Consider the following code snippet. A developer needs to create a constant name delivery multiplier with a value of 4.15. The value of the constant should not modify any time in the code. How should the developer declare the delivery multiplier constant to meet the business objectives? Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you to learn something new today. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe this channel for more content like this. See you soon.